again, real fast, July 18th, Bob Coles, Meadowlands, Minnesota. The 24th of July, riding to Spirit Lake. And the 25th of July at the Indian Motorcycle Factory. Hey, what is going on, people? Yeah, I want this in the background. I want it in the background. See how it will look. There we go. Hey, what's going on, people? This should be a quick one. We got to talk about a couple of events. I have my phone out so I can look at them correctly. First thing first, I want to say Case Auto and BC Customs are hosting the Elmer Road Car and Bike Show. July 18th from 10 to 2, rain or shine. It's in Meadowlands, Minnesota. I know I'm putting a thing up here. But so BC Customs, you guys know him. He is my great friend, Bob. He's so big in our community. So if you're anywhere in the Minnesota region area, northern Wisconsin even, maybe even like eastern Dakotas, like it would be fun to come out. All right, interrupting this program to show you guys Meadowlands, Minnesota. So right here we have the country of United States of America. Zoom in a little. Right here is Minnesota, right? It looks like a soda can. Zoom in a little bit more. Keep zooming in, baby. Keep zooming in. Right over here, we got some Duluth. Duluth and Meadowlands is really close. Also close to Meadowlands is Hibbing, Virginia, Grand Rapids. These are all beautiful, like top tier rides and riding area. This Highway 2 is beautiful. I thought there was a Highway 1 somewhere up here. Freaking amazing riding. This whole region is riding. But anyway, so just keep zooming in. We got Meadowlands right here, as you can see. And keep going even more. Keep going even more. Meadowlands, it is a smaller town. But yeah, this is actually, don't, just looking at the map, I don't know where the freaking thing is, but either way, it doesn't matter. You can't miss it. I got the address. But yeah, this is Meadowlands, Minnesota. I'm way down here by the blue dot. If I'm willing to ride a Scout all the way from here, all the way over here, boy. I mean, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, look at it. Look at it. So this is Meadowlands. Meadowlands greenery. Oh, this was 23 years ago, but assuming the sun looks the same. Meadowlands. Also, you guys, shout out, this is going to be held at Case Auto. That is Bob's really good friend. They're super close buddies. They work together. They use Case Auto, does amazing paint work as well. This is Meadowlands. Meadowlands. So beautiful. I'm excited to ride up there. Hope to see you guys there. Yeah, Meadowlands. So beautiful. So that's a one-day event. Just so you know, they do have a lot of space available to like pitch tents and like set up, and their shop is ginormous, like I don't know, 100,000 square feet or something. And so if the weather starts to turn, everybody can bring their stuff inside. It's no big deal. But yeah, so Bob Cole's having it's their first little bike show. Probably not gonna be little car show. It's not my thing. I'm just coming up to it. I'm gonna let you guys know that I'm coming to it. But yeah, I'm putting the thing on for sure, so you guys can check it out. But it's at Case Auto. You guys got to come to it if you can make it. It's gonna be that area of Minnesota. I'm gonna tell you guys, it's pretty beautiful. It's pretty rural, a lot of trees. Yeah, it's pretty close to Duluth. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Bob Cole's my man. He's my brother. I'm sure there's gonna be really nice bikes. I think it's like a 3.5 hour ride or 4 hour ride for me, but the Scout's gonna be there. Either I'm gonna ride it or it's gonna get trailered. Probably ride it because I like to ride my shit. So yeah, I'm signing up for that one. Anyway, so that's the first thing. And then the second thing is an event that I am a part of. Okay, so last year we did the fish tour. A bunch of us got together. We rode down to Spirit Lake, Iowa. We did some factory tours. We hung out at the place. Then we had like a bike night hangout at the hotel. So we're going to do something like that again, actually. Except this time, corporate is involved. So it is their bike. It is their day, their 125 anniversary party. So it is the Indian Motorcycle Factory Tours event. I am gonna be there. They asked me if I would come. I am coming. Also, Vroom Old Man Pat is coming, so that's gonna be freaking awesome. You're asking me about the dates. I'm telling you. So this is what it is. This is what we're doing. So July 24th, I will be meeting in Indian Motorcycle of Lakeville at the Moto Primo complex. We're gonna meet at 10 a.m. hang out for a while, probably have some coffee, some pastries, whatever. With the kickstands up about 11, we will then ride to lunch. Lunch is to be determined, but you guys, this is gonna be sick. So after lunch, I wish I knew this guy's name to say it, but his name's Bruce. But anyway, he has a private collection in Clear Lake, Iowa, of vintage motorcycles. I've never been there, but Donna and the Northern Iowa Riders Group, the IMRG out of Mason City, they have been very adamant that I should see this, and I'm very excited to see it. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna kickstands up at 11. We're gonna ride. Ooh-wee. All right, here is Indian Motorcycle of Lakeville in the Moto Primo complex. Yeah, check it out. So give it a little sky view. Zoom on out. Boom. So that's where it is. And what we're gonna do is, I think we're gonna head south. Right here at 35, maybe we're going to go a different way, all the way down here to Albert Lee. Here in Albert Lee, Minnesota, they have everything for food. See this big old region? They got it all. We're going to find somewhere to eat. Maybe I'll find somewhere to eat. Maybe on this lake or this lake. I don't figure. I'll figure that out. To be determined. After this, we're going to keep heading south. Around here is Clear Lake. Clear Lake is the area where Bruce has his private collection of Indian motorcycles. Oh, here's Mason City. That's where the Indian Motorcycle Riders Group, Mason City, out of Indian Motorcycle of Mason City, is right here. So they're going to meet us maybe for food and then down. I don't know. And then from there, we're going to cut across all the way across somewhere. I'll zoom out just a little, where we end up. Oh, here's Sioux Falls. That's too far. Where is Spirit Lake? Right here, Spirit Lake. This beautiful town. Look at all these lakes. Look at it. That's why it's a Spirit. Where the Indian Motorcycle Factory, I think it's right here. It is. Boom. Just go ahead and give that a little zoomy. Let's see. Boom. Let's see. Oh, look at it. There it is. Oh, wow. This is an old picture. This is way different now. All right. Anyway, so, yeah. So here's the Spirit Lake. Or unless that's not different. I don't know. Anyway, so here is the factory. This is where we're going to be hanging out on Saturday. But right down the road, when I said it was close, I mean it is close. So right down the road here is, I don't even think it's that far. What's this one? Here it is. Travel Lodge by Wyndham. This is where we're staying. Get a little view of this. Turn around, boom. So the Travel Lodge by Wyndham, this is Sunny, boom. If you guys don't know, boom, Travel Lodge by Wyndham. Sunny Mystery owns this. Great guy. Super supportive of our Indian motorcycle community, fish community. Pappy, like all of us, like we've stayed here. Just a really good dude. So, this is where we're going to stay. So if you're wondering, when you call these guys, you got to call them and tell them you're with Ridingfish, and then they'll give you a little love. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. That's where we're going to be. And like I said, so this is right down the road. So look at that right here, to this giant building right here. This is Indian Motorcycle Factory, guys. Giant building. So yeah, that's the way. Let's go. I'm going to be staying at the Travel Lodge by Wyndham in Spirit Lake, Iowa. I got, that's where we had our event last time. It worked really well. This is going to be July 24th still. You guys, if you want to stay there, all you got to do is call them up. And here's the phone number. I'm going to tell you guys. I'll put it on the screen and everything too. It's 712-336-2668. Again, repeat it with some music. 712-336-2668, boy. So anyway, tell him you're with Ridingfish and you wanted a discount. He's going to hook you guys up. But and then we're going to do our thing there, just kind of hang out, probably like parking lot party, tell some good stories, a couple of lies. You guys get to determine which is which. I know already people are doing that. I do have a Facebook event set up for that. I'm pretty excited. And then the following day, which will be July 25th, Saturday, the factory is having their event. So this is important too, because they're going to be doing factory tours. You get the first looks of the new engine assembly area of the factory, which will be cool. They are having a bike show. They're having the demo truck. They have a concert or a musician. They have food truck, like super freaking cool. So here's the thing. There's some registration. There's a Facebook event that they made. Also, you have to have closed-toed shoes. So like Crocs and sandals, you cannot go on the factory floor if you have those on, so just know. And then, what is it? Oh, the bike show, which is completely new to this year. So Vroom Old Man Pat's gonna be there, and Pappy, the trailer queen. I'm just saying, this bike's been on a trailer for months now. I know we're talking about it riding it, but Pat, you're always trailering this bad boy. Anyway, it's at 201,901 miles, something like that. So yeah, if you want to see that, talk to Pat. It's going to be pretty awesome. Hopefully he's staying at the same hotel we are. That'd be cool. Other than that, I think that's it. And then yeah, we're just going to be hanging out. It's going to be a fun time. Of course, got to enter some bikes in the bike show. I'm probably not going to be on Spicy Candy. If you don't know, we got a bunch of things with that, but I think I'm going to bring down the BC Custom Scout and we're going to have a good time. I might be on a $100,000 bike. Anyway, whatever. I'm just saying. I might be borrowing a bike. So I'm excited for it. I'm excited to see you guys there. I hope you guys ride down with me. And if you guys hang out at the Travel Lodge there in Spirit Lake, I hope you guys come hang out there. I was trying to get some evening entertainment, but you know what? We don't need it. We got Davison audio and stuff. We could probably play some music. We'll be good. So I know my wife's coming. I don't know who's all coming yet, but it's going to be a good time. I hope to see you guys there. And so again, real fast, July 18th, Bob Cole's Meadowlands, Minnesota. There's a car and bike show, a one-day event. And then the 24th of July, riding to Spirit Lake out of Indian Motorcycle of Lakeville. And then the 25th of July at the Indian Motorcycle Factory, we are going to have the 125 anniversary party. I hope to see you guys there. I look forward to everything. And until next time, ride hard, ride fast. That's something you don't know. Peace.